I am here with the goods today. I am providing you a full service. I am giving you the requested complete wash day routine using my clay wash. So this helps me to reduce shedding, rejuvenate my scalp, and retain moisture. I like to start off with the first stage of my routine, which is usually a herbal tea and oil mix. And you guys can find the tutorial for this oil mix in the cards. So as always, I like to work in sections, and actually this is the point at which my finger detangling begins. I like to go through whilst the hair's dry, just pull my ends out, and I have a complete video on my finger detangling techniques where I literally break down everything I do, why I do it, why it works, why I love it. So do go and check that out. The purpose of the oil for me during this stage is basically to melt any debris on my scalp, as well as just to use it to massage in there, and it also helps me to easily remove any tangles. For today's deep conditioner, I have hydrolyzed wheat protein, coconut milk, glycerin, and black seed oil. If you guys are interested in why I like to deep condition before I jump in the shower, I have multiple videos on it, but I will link the most recent one. Once my sections are complete, I just pull them back and I place my wonderful plastic bag, aka bin liner, on and then I just pop a heat cap on. I've had this one for about 10 years and it's from Aphrodite. So the second stage of my wash day routine is all about cleansing my scalp. It's all about removing any and everything that's sitting on my scalp, as well as my strands, and it's also about thoroughly detangling my hair. As I have low porosity hair, the majority of my wash day routine is actually me rinsing my hair. It takes quite a while for my hair to become saturated, but this is what I like to do. You will see me squeezing and running my hands through my hair. This just helps it to absorb the water quicker than it would naturally on its own. The best clay wash ever. Do check out the recipe for it, but I did want to show you guys the consistency of it. It's quite runny. I get questions about clay washes a lot. I don't make them thick. I like them thin so that it's easy to run through my hair, it's easy to detangle with, and more importantly, it just rinses out so much easier. Once again, don't forget to check out the tutorial. If you're interested in clay washing, I literally break it all down. I tell you all the good things about it. I've been doing clay washes since literally forever, and it's one of the best things that's happened to my hair. I just wanted to show you guys a close-up of the finger detangling process. As I mentioned before, I start finger detangling before I get into the shower, and for me, finger detangling is more of a journey than a destination, and the more I do at every stage, the easier it is, And I also wanted to show you guys how much hair I lose per section on average, because there are times when I might be a little bit more stressed and I might have a little bit more hair come out, and that's fine, that's normal. We all lose about like 80 to 100 strands a day on average, so ain't no biggie, all right? And whilst you're at it, don't forget to get some of that yummy clay mix all over your body. It's so good for you guys, so good. And I like to get some in my armpits as well.
In this world that we live in, there's two main motivating forces.
I don't know if you guys can see how defined clay washes leave my hair. I just wanted to give you a super close up. Y'all, listen, I am really trying to recruit you. If you do not use clay washes, please do check out that tutorial. Look at my hair, so pretty. It really just helps to bring the best of what you have naturally out. Making sure that my hair is thoroughly clean and my scalp is thoroughly rinsed, and I just have to spend a little bit extra time once again because I do have low porosity hair. I like to also go in with some apple cider vinegar and do a rinse. I used to do my rinses with cold water at one point, but I've actually stopped doing that. So if you've seen any of my wash day videos previously, this is an update. I no longer use cool or cold water to rinse my hair. I use warm water, and it's literally one of the best things that I've been doing because my low porosity hair just loves it. And if you're wondering why I use apple cider vinegar for rinsing, it helps to clarify my hair and scalp in addition to the clay wash, but it also helps to balance the pH. I like to leave it in for about 5 minutes before rinsing. And look at my hair, y'all. Yes, I mean, you can't really argue with it. This is why I love this particular wash routine. This is why it's my favorite. As much as I do my alternative when I need to, this is my go-to. Look how clean my scalp is. Look at my edges, y'all. Oh my god. Yeah, this is my happy place. This is the wash day that makes me the most happiest. Finally, I like to put my hair back in sections in preparation for styling, and sometimes I apply my leave-in in the shower. The majority of the time I do that, but for this particular wash day hairstyle, I wanted to dry and stretch my hair just a little bit before I went in. I opened my window for 2 seconds and now there's a fly in here driving me crazy. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the next morning. I washed my hair yesterday and I wanted to come and show you what I did to it. Reason being, I have a video on this already, and considering that this is supposed to be my full wash day, I wanted you guys to kind of, you know, see how it goes. So where we left off yesterday is the point at which you guys usually see me in all my styling videos, especially the wash day friendly styling videos. I come out of the shower with my t-shirt on and I go straight into styling. For example, this one, I just left my hair underneath that t-shirt for about an hour whilst I cleaned the bathroom, and then I came up and put this in. So if you want to see exactly what it looks like after that point, you can check out this tutorial. The only thing I did different is that I put like 3 twists in the back instead of the single braid. I wanted to show you what leave-in I used. So for my leave-in, I also used it as my styler. I went for my Lotta Body. As you know, when it comes to leave-ins, I have like loads that I like, and I would just use whichever one, you know, my hand reaches for. As always, for longer lasting moisture throughout the week, I did seal with my whipped shea butter. Today I used the botanical version, and as you know, I interchange between this version and the naked version. I love them both, so do check them out. You can find this on my website, wildseedbotanicals.com. I will link that below. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my voice is like, I don't know what's happening. I'm not feeling 100, but that's okay. Yeah, anyway, I hope this video was helpful. As I mentioned, I have a plethora of videos that will relate to different things throughout this entire wash day process. If there's anything I've missed out or anything you need greater information on, please comment below. I also recently put up an excellent video that really describes like what my regimen is, as in, you know, like the holistically, what does my regimen look like, why I do certain things, why I don't do certain things. These are questions that you guys might ask me. For example, you know, why you never see me like greasing my scalp or something like that. So all of those are answered in that video. I will tag it. I've also been getting questions about my skin. Naturally, I use my own products, so like I said, do check out wildseedbotanicals.com. As always, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up so YouTube knows that you actually care about my content, and then I know that you actually like it, all the hard work I put in. So yeah, anyway, be blessed, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.